Okay, I'm back. Here is the tractor with the finish mower on it. So we will see it. We will attempt to, yeah, this will be fun. Doing this one-handed. Ouch. Alright, it's alive! It's alive! See, there's the... Alright. Now, simply, sure. Back it up. Wow. Right on the side. Okay. Now, turn around, make sure we don't hit anything like the car or the truck. Okay. Let's make our way over here. So that I can drop off the... Hey, don't hit the truck. Alright. This, here we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're just gonna... They gotta move that 2x4. Alright. Now, make this. Okay, full reverse, Scotty. Give me all she's got. Give me all she's got. Okay, back in here. Let's just see what we hit. Ready. Alright. Now, let it down. Alright. Now I can shut this off. Alright. Now, get my fat self off the tractor. Ouch. Okay. Now, here comes the fun part. The fun part. Ouch. Okay, we gotta pull this here pin. Take out this here thing right here. And we'll just put it on the deck for now. Okay, and then we get to pull this pin, which is chained to the deck. Pull that. Now, this is the super fun part. Okay, your arms, ouch, have adjustments that are right here that you probably can't see, that you have to loosen up. Like there's them turnbuckles. And then you just pull these arms out and your things drop off. That actually came off of there. Okay, that part came easy. Now, here, there is a button on this. As soon as I find it. Okay. Where's it at? You gotta push in. Then it releases off the teeth. Sure it does. Okay, now in theory, I got it released off. There's a notch that it fits in. When you push in the button and pull it back a little ways, then it should come out of that little notch, and then you should be able to pull the tractor out. Let's just see what happens, shall we? Shall we? Okay, so put the John Deere in neutral, fire up the tractor, kick her back in gear, the forward, and drive shaft pulled out of the back. Awesome! Okay, we'll just pull it up and get it out of the way. Well, apparently I didn't have the button pushed in far enough. Or this pulled out or something. Hang on. Let me get down here where I can see what I'm doing. There's a button right. Well, right here. Damn. Okay. Yeah, see, there's a groove right here that your notch is supposed to go in. Yeah, here. See, this is how this works. Well, as soon as I get it up here, you push over on this thing here, releases in here, and then it kicks you out of this notch here. Okay, but this part, a square end, and it's all greased up. Oops. Boy, this is not easy. Line up your square. Get up here. Okay, hang on a second. I'll be back with you in a second here. Let me get this lined up and slid back together. Lovely. Alright. Then hook that up. You just line up your tube with your square shaft and then slide the whole thing in there. Alright. That was fun. Ouch. Now, we're going to attempt to do it in reverse on the Bush Hog. Okay, but as you can see, yeah, I'm supporting that with that. So, okay, got that out of the way. Now we got this brick out of the way. Yeah, this baby ain't been out of here in years. Years, he said. Super bunch of years. Wow. Man. That dude even looks heavy. Okay. Great. What is it? Itchweed, poison ivy, something like that. Fantastic. He stomps it down. Okay, let's see. Just got to keep a retaining pin in here. This one doesn't have one. And I got to take the pin off of the... You know, I had a retaining pin on here somewhere for that side. But Lord knows whatever happened to it. Okay, no big deal. I got an extra that I need to take the center pin off of the finish mower. There's the center pin. Alright. Now, we got to get hooked up. So, I will be right back as soon as we get lined up on this.